This verso, Sachipni in this case, this is a reading campaign. We must read, and we like you to invite you to read. And today we are celebrating something different, because if in the LRT somebody was asking me, how can you measure how many people is the campaign is? The best thing is, let's put it this way. If out of the 1 million, one we catch like a fisherman, and we catch one, and we catch a new reader, that's enough. We must be contented.
This is an opportunity to actually promote climate-friendly, sustainable transport, and at the same time contribute to literacy, contribute to art, contribute to a better world because of poetry and what poetry represents.
Pusturang-pustura kahit walang laman ang bulsa, nilakad ni Juan de la Cruz ang buong avenida. Bawal pumarada, sabi ng kalsada, bawal umihi dito, sabi ng bakod, kaya napagod si Juan de la Cruz.
Isang piring na sa tanawin, piring na nakapilit sa mga mata, ng kinidnap, ginahasa, kinatay. Isang bumagsak na nagagalit na ulap, isang latigor na nagbali ng buto.
En el parque, en la plaza, en el cine, yo te busqué. Te tengo atrapada entre mi piel y mi alma.
If not for the moon, which this morning is pure insinuation, I'd pay no mind to the hour, but it's late. And I'm tired of the long division the mind makes as it divines by click and scree the cold outside.
I am accepting this now. Its many vessels leading to sorrow, its southpaw stands. I bend a right hand over it at times, out of duty or earnestness, or just to check if it's still here.
Though it is dark, I know you are beside me. Your dark thoughts assume the shapes of moths, and out of nostril, ear, navel, and mouth,
Rayando el sol, desesperación. Es más fácil llegar al sol que a tu corazón.
De un sur que no conocen. Hay marcas en la piel de los justos, látigos y plegarias en sus manos. Tardíos para el dolor y para la alegría. La lluvia sobre los vertederos no nos hizo más sabios ni más puros. Perdónanos, porque otra vez salimos indemnes de la música.
Ang pagmamahal ba'y pagmamahal lamang sa isa? Hindi ba kaya marami pagkat mapagmahal talaga?
Mukhang tilay kay nagkukupisal na. Para pamandi ng iyong asawa.
Hindi ako nangungupisal. Ang sinasabi ko'y totoo.
Palabasin ang mga dragon.
Yung nagmamahal ng todo-todo'y maraming ginugusto. Hindi mapagkasya sa dibdibang pag-ibig, kaya't humahanap ng ibang makakatalik. Mangusap ka!
Ang paghahanap ng katalik, alam ko ng dahilan kung bakit bukas ang siper.
Walang